Hi everyone, as you know, CapCut Pro version brings a lot of advanced features, such as AI-generated text feature helps you create unique text effects with simple prompts. AI-generated text stickers feature to create unique stickers with simple prompts. Relight feature to add additional light to your videos. Enhance the quality of your videos and photos instantly. Enhance audio to studio quality with one click. Elevate our videos with vocal isolation. Make your video look natural and perfect with our facial and body recognition technology. Apply various video effects and body effects to create any kind of video you like. And dozens of transitions make your scene changing seamless and smooth. Fortunately, CapCut offers us the opportunity to try all of these pro features through their referral program. For each friend that installs and launches CapCut Desktop using your invite link. Well, I'm here to help you share your invitation link and reach more people who might be interested in this great video editing application. Thanks for watching.